Alright guys, I'm at work. Gonna do a pocket dump for you. So got my Civivi Cubit, it's got a little bottle opener. It's aluminum, button lock, full flat. A little dust on it, I use it every day. Got a Streamlight Wedge XT. Get a little light. Yeah. Like Streamlight. What else I got? Keys. A little knife on there. Got a what is that? B82, the can opener thing from the military. Usually got one of these. I fucking vape. Yeah. Usually got a lighter. It's right there. And my firearm. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the holster out because the holster's part of it. Oh, and I could probably keep the belt too. Keep the belt. Let me see. Hunter Constantine. You already know if you know. Alright. Got that Tenacore Malice Soul. You already know. Yep. Said that again. HLX. Look at that. Do I EDC this bitch or what? That bitch will still bang off every round too. Got a good dot. Good dot. Nice light. Super bright. That bitch is linty. You don't ever see that shit on YouTube right there. Straight out the pants. Dirty. I mean, that's how it goes though. You actually carry. That's how it goes. Look. Condensation on my shit. That's how it goes though. Love it.